camping and crawling. We're downstairs, actually inside my house. I've built a mini indoor crawler track out of some spray foam and some paint, and rocks and stuff. So it's very much a work in progress. I haven't really spent as much time as I want to on the details, but I think it's gonna be pretty fun. The way this track works is you kind of start where the car is there, obviously. You go straight up this mountain, kind of an easier side here, difficulty side there. Go down through these little rocky kind of bits here, across this bridge, which should help test the suspension, steering capabilities, all that good stuff. You come around the outside of this corner, around here, through these really kind of deep, almost like lava rock style rocks here. Around this corner, another corner to test the steering angle. Then we come back this way, really steep section here, very difficult. Then we just go back, across the bridge from the inside this time, back over the mountain, and to the start. So it should be a really fun track. I'm excited to try it out, gets a few laps in. You're probably noticing this green screen here. I'm gonna do my best to edit in a backdrop. Hoping it's gonna work. Maybe it'll look bad, but if not, I'll be able to have a kind of cool backdrop for you. Some computer graphics, video overlay instead of the standard, you know, my basement backgrounds. So I'll stop yapping about the track. You're probably wondering about this little truck. So this is an SCX24. It's got a ton of mods on it, lots of brass up front. I'll put all the links in the description to all the goodies, but it's very brassed up, springless shocks, and some limiting straps. So lots of travel on this thing, very heavy, brass trio wheels, pin tires, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're gonna see how this thing goes, get some good footage. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll try to make this look as cool as possible. Comes the first tight corner. They've already screwed that up. There we go. So you can see the articulation of this SCX24 working well with those longer shocks. Put the link in the description for what size they are. I think they're 54 mil. I want to say they're definitely the longer ones from Nora. Pin tires grabbing nice. I'll have a video in the future about how to do a foam track, how to make a foam track like this, but it is quite easy. You spend a bit of time painting it, but it's kind of fun, kind of relaxing. And yeah, you get this pretty cool track that's cost effective and light. This whole track weighs almost nothing, so you can put it away quite easily up on its side. So we're into this corner now. Oop. So not a ton of steering angle on this car. A four-wheel steering one might be nicer. Ooh, I'm gonna make that. Oh, no. Okay, flip it back over. One hand of God, as they say, but not too bad so far. This part here is really designed to test the approach angle. Harder for the builds with bumpers on them, but this wouldn't be too bad. You really got to pick your line because of that rock back here grabs the diffs. So really try to design this to be tough. Doable, but tough. No portal axles on this guy. Just regular old, good old straight axles. Oh, look at that. Oh man, not good. There we go. And I'll try to go up this steep section. So there's a couple of really cool lines here you can do. I've been playing around with. See if I can do the line I did yesterday, kind of like this, grab it like that. You can see I got some, ooh, am I stuck? Oh no, we're good. So I'll take the easier section here. And across the line. So there you go, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Super simple, super quick video today. Hopefully that was kind of cool. I'll do a bunch more videos in the future of this track, this indoor track. I'm really hoping to test out the new Axial SCX30 on this. It might be tough, but we'll see. And yeah, this just gives me more options in the winter when it's super cold out. You guys know my channel, you've seen all my videos. I do go out all year round, regardless of the temperature. It doesn't matter if it's minus 20. As long as there's not too much snow, I'll be out there crawling. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. For those who haven't already, feel free to give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.